Hi, good morning. Myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn the rest part of the lesson of classics, right? So we have seen about the example of Kanakamma and all in the Gram Sabha meeting, right? On that day. So today we are going to learn what happened actually on that day after getting some coupons to the needy person and all. This is probably an example of Gram Sabha taking place today. So today they took all like Gram Sabha meeting was conducted in the village, and like everyone are probably attending, taking part in that. People do not get proper information about the meeting, and very few people came for them for them. So whatever the Gram Sabha meetings which are conducted by villages, no, that was like only few people attended. All the people of the village they did not attend, and they did not understand what is going on in the meeting, what sort of things are discussed and all. They did not get any proper information about that, and they did not show interest also. Those who came took little interest in the proceeding. However, democracy requires active participation of all the villages in the Gram Sabha. So, the one who have participated, that means the one who came and attended the meeting, from them only few of the people who are there, they showed little interest and they understood little bit. But the remaining people who attended, from few, only few people attended. From that, very little people understood what is going on in the meeting and all, and they showed little bit interest. And the other people who have attended the meeting, Gram Sabha meeting, they did not understand what is going on in the meeting, and they didn't even show any interest to understand what it is. And they did not, next time they did not like participate in proceedings and all. However, democracy require active participation of all the villages in the Gram Sabha. See, like democracy is what people's rule. Here people are not able to understand what is going on in the meeting because they don't have interest, and they were not able to understand actually, right? Because that was a new thing for them and all. But for democracy it is necessary that everyone, like all the people in the village, should attend the meeting. That is compulsory for the democracy, because when people come and attend the meeting, they'll come to know what are the things which are done in their village, what are the facilities which are being provided, what work to be done for their development, how government is helping them. All these things they'll come to know. But these people are not able to attend the meeting and they are not showing interest. So they'll be not be aware of things which are going on in the village, or facilities which were given by them, by government to them. All people should discuss the report of the previous year's work and say whether the work was actually done and was satisfactory. So, teacher, what is the need of attending the Gram Sabha meeting? If they attend Gram Sabha meeting, what all the work which they have done in the previous year, right? So what all the work is done, all the report will be made out of that, and that will be discussed whether the work done by everyone in the village, like their participation in developing the village and all, is that good, means did they achieve the success, or still they have to be improved, like this, any mistakes are being done, or any lack of interest, drawbacks which are there, right? All these things they'll come to know, and are they satisfied with the work or not, like that. If anyone is not satisfied, what is the reason, all these things they can discuss and they can solve their problems there, right? This also need to discuss the proposed work for the next year and say if any other work needed to be done, or what is the best way to do it. So this meeting is not only to discuss the previous year work, means the completed year work, means the future year and the present year which is going on, the new year started, the work which they have to start, they'll be discussing so and so work we have to complete, like this borewell work we have to complete, all the villages or village tank we need to construct, we have to clean that on time basis, like this. One particular or the work which they planned for that year, they'll be discussing for this year also. Whatever they planned, they'll be sitting and discussing. If any extra work is needed, or else how the work to be completed, what are the steps we have to take to complete that on time. Like that, they'll be preparing the plan and all. When the list of BPL, that is below poverty level, people are read out, all people have to ensure that only genuinely poor get the benefit of this scheme. Yes, when they'll be reading this in this Gram Sabha meeting, they'll be reading out the list of what poor, that is below poverty level list, people list they'll be reading. So in that list, what all the names which are there, they have to be genuine, they have to be right or correct that yes, we are below poverty level and we can take that, because everyone in the village are not like below poverty level, no. The one who are like middle class or like the one who are rich, they can they have to say that genuinely, no, we don't have that much need, we are ready to give so and so benefits which government is giving to the poor, will allow them only to take, so that they'll also develop like us. So they have to be genuine, means they have to tell correctly that so and so needy person is there, I am not, so I also have need, but I am little bit improved one, the one who are below poverty level, they should get this benefit. Everyone should genuinely correctly by their heart, they have to tell the truth. Similarly, the Gram Sabhas have to oversee the work being done under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MNREGA, and other schemes. So Gram Sabha should see that work is being done. So all the whatever the work which they are doing, that should be done under this organization. You see that Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Under this act, the work should be done like they have to follow the rules of this act, or the people should be included under this, and they have to work according to the rules and all like that. What all the work which is being done in the rural areas should be under this act, under like under this act they have to complete the work and other schemes which have been provided. But in practice, Gram Sabha did not meet, or the few people who participate do not take active interest in the proceedings. So only few people who have attended the meeting, they are also not showing any interest for the proceedings to complete the work for the next meetings and all. Even Gram Sabha did not meet the people. Even Gram Sabha did not call more people, or they didn't go to them and they didn't talk like what is the importance of attending the meeting and all. So there is a drawback, there is a mistake, or there is a no completion of work from both the sides. Even the villagers who are there, they are not active participants in the meeting, and even this Gram Sabha who is there, that Gram Sabha is also not calling or not talking to people in more amount. Like they are not going and talking when these people are not attending. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.